morning.
Is this the only product left? Because I want to buy five pieces of this product.
Yes, ma'am. This is the only product we will have. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, I will buy these 2 pieces na lang.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Personal Collections. Good morning, ma'am. Stop sa moisturizing lotion. Tapos rin pa ko papalit pare. I'm really sorry, ma'am. It's still not available. Maybe next week.
It's okay po, ma'am. I'll check another store na lang po. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. I'm losing customers already.
Hello, Miss Claire. This is the 3rd time na delay ang delivery. You promised it would arrive 3 days ago. What's happening?
Yes, I understand, Miss Mike. Pero ang supplier talaga ang late mag-deliver sa amin. I can't also deliver the products on time.
Then tell me ahead. I need to plan myself. I'm losing income here.
Okay, I'll try to talk to the supplier again. Regalyasa, we need to talk. Your shipments have been delayed twice this month. The retailers are blaming me.
Hello, Miss Claire. We had a raw material shortage po because of the last storm, and actually, I have already sent you an email explaining about the delay po.
Your email didn't indicate how many days we should expect. I couldn't update the retailers properly.
Okay, Miss Claire, you can have asked for clarification po.
You could have called to make sure that we understood.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello everyone. I call this meeting because of important matters. As I observed, our channels is not functionally smoothly. We need to clarify the problems and solve it together. Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Micah, can you explain your side?
I depend on timely deliveries. When products are late, my stores loses customers. I feel like I'm carrying the consequences of my mistake, not part of.
And also, you, Miss Claire, can you explain your side?
I can't distribute what I don't have. I need accurate and timely updates from Micah so I can adjust scheduling.
How about you, Rebelisa?
I admit communication could have been clearer. The delays were caused by weather-related supply issues, not carelessness, but I should have called directly.
Okay guys, I understand. We can move to the problem solving. Then let's find solutions that we can benefit everyone.
First, C stands for communication. Then the second is
Scheduling for adjustment.
stands for this siya.
Then the third, which is the early ordering. E. Everyone, here's the proposal. First is Rebellieza will provide weekly updates and immediate alerts if the delays are expected. Then next is Miss Claire will adjust the delivery schedules and notify the retailers earlier. It is important that matters. Then the third is Miss Micah will provide order forecast at least 1 week ahead of the planning. That matters. It is very important in our organization to improve our company's reputation.
Yes, I can do that. I just need the proper updates. And I'll be more proactive in sending delivery information.
And I'll improve my communication channels.
Guys, I understand your concern and explanations. Thank you for this day na cooperate mo sa meeting. then I assure that I can do my responsibility also as a manager. Then thank you everyone. The meeting is adjourned.
Good morning, ma'am. Stock are available na po, ma'am.
Yes po, ma'am. Fresh stock arrived for today. Thank you for waiting, ma'am.
I'll buy 5 classes of moisturizing lotion.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arm. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed.